Welcome to my channel everybody, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can change your server in Genshin Impact. And it's pretty simple to change your server in Genshin Impact, so follow these steps as well if you guys also want to change your server in Genshin Impact. So before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start the video. First, you wanna if your Genshin Impact game is on, you want to close it. After closing the game, you want to relaunch it just like this. Now once you relaunch Genshin Impact, you come to this place, and once you come to this place, you want to click on where it says Asia, as you guys can see. Once you click on Asia, now remember on over here it shows Asia because this is the server which I'm currently in. But if you're in another server, it's going to show you another name. Alright, just click on this button over here and you can choose whichever server you want from over here. If you want to play in America, you can choose America, Europe, Asia, and then TWHKMO. Now there are only 4 servers over here right now. You cannot add custom servers. You need to choose from these 4 servers. So as I'm in Asia, I'm going to choose Asia, and I'm going to click on where it says click to begin, and my game will start, and I will start to play Genshin Impact in Asian server. So that's basically how you guys can change your server on Genshin Impact. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.